Hello sa lahat na naglalaro ng Brookhaven. Kung hindi nyo pa to alam, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano pumunta sa secret hideout. Okay. First, pupunta tayo dito. Sundan nyo lang ako, ha? Okay. Punta tayo dito sa may Starbucks coffee. And then we will go here at the back. And then at the end of this street, it will open. Did you see that? That's a secret door. And then you will go down. Okay, do you see it? And then in this room, you will click the light. And then the door will open again. Yes. And you're here. Saan natin yung ilaw? You're here. Pag umupo ka dito, you will see all the police cops. Okay? And then, here naman, dito may timpok dito din. Pag dito ka dumaan, ito ang daanan papunta sa bangko. So yung iba pag nagnanakaw kasi sila, dumadaan pa sila sa pinto. Dito hindi na kailangan. Kailangan natin syempre ng bomba dito. Okay, let's get the money. I'm so sorry. Don't do this, kids. It's not good. It's just a game. Then you jump. And then you go down. So, hindi na nila alam kung masok ka. Ano ba yun? Ayan. So, you run! Hanggang sa makita mo ang dulo. Tada! You can go out here again. This is the secret door. Okay. That's it, guys.